Have you ever marveled at the sheer power and beauty of a lightning bolt splitting the night sky? It's a phenomenon that can stop us in our tracks, a spectacle of nature that's as mesmerizing as it is mysterious. But what causes these electrifying displays? And how do they influence our weather patterns? Let's peel back the layers of this enigma and delve into the electrifying world of lightning. Lightning, in essence, is a sudden, intense burst of electricity. It's a charged event that takes place during a thunderstorm, a dramatic dance of electrical energy that lights up the sky. But how does it actually form? It all begins with a storm cloud. As the storm brews, tiny ice particles within the cloud collide, creating an electric charge. The top of the cloud becomes positively charged, while the bottom becomes negatively charged. And it's this separation of charges that sets the stage for a lightning strike. When the charge at the bottom of the cloud becomes too intense, a channel of ionized air, known as a step leader, shoots towards the ground. At the same time, a positive charge or streamer reaches up from the ground. When these two meet, a powerful electrical current surges through, creating that brilliant flash we know as lightning. But lightning is not just a visual marvel, it plays a crucial role in our weather patterns. You see, our atmosphere is a delicate balance of electrical charges. And lightning, as a massive electrical discharge, helps maintain this balance. It neutralizes the electrical energy in the atmosphere, preventing it from becoming too charged. Lightning also influences storm development and intensity. It can increase the updraft within a storm, making it more powerful and potentially more destructive. Scene script. But it's not all doom and gloom. Lightning also has a silver lining. Yes, it can cause power outages and even start fires. But it also produces nitrogen compounds that enrich our soil, aiding in plant growth and contributing to the cycle of life. So to sum it up, lightning is more than just a light show. It's a significant player in our weather systems, a balance keeper of atmospheric electrical charges, and an unexpected nurturer of life. It's a reminder of the raw power of nature, a spectacle that paints the sky and shapes the world around us. So next time you see a lightning bolt, remember there's more to it than meets the eye.